On YouTube, it's time for a little update. I think I've been working on the shell of the tank, the actual aquarium part, every day after work for a couple hours for the past week or so, and got it all sanded down. I got everything fitting right. I got all my seams filled. I've got a couple of corners that I wanted to put some wood fill in and get it all sanded down also. And here we can see I did the entire tank. I double thicked the entire tank. I glued and screwed exterior to the entire interior portion, so now it's 1.5 inches thick all the way around. My next step is going to be over there. It's called pond armor. Like several of the people out there in YouTube land, I've been communicating with Butch at Pond Armor, and it's what I used on the bottom of the last tank. I just think it's the ultimate thing as far as simplicity to work with. So I'm going to do, I've got 2 kits of tan, 2 kits of black. I'm going to do the bottom in tan, have it come up the size just a little bit. Kind of, the sand will look good with it, and then I'm going to do the rest in black. I've got seams where the wood came together. I've got it glued and screwed down on overlap boards on each seam. There's 3 seams like that. One in the back. And there's one right here on the back of the center front. I'm going to put fiberglass on those. First you coat it. Let it dry 24 hours. Lightly sand the pond armor with a 60 grit just to scuff it up a little bit. After a 24-hour sit, then I'm going to wet the areas where the fiberglass is going to go. Just that area, just overlap that. Put down fiberglass, cover that on all 3 of those seams, and I'm going to go ahead and do another entire coat on the whole thing. And while it's tacky, if I feel ambitious, every 2 to 3 hours after that, if it's tacky, I can do other coats, which can bring it up to my 4 coats. But I just wanted to touch base, give everybody an idea what's going on. After that, we'll have glass. And I'm going to do the bottom seams. I'm not going to do those in fiberglass. They're such a snug fit. They're all machine cut plywood. Right to the edge, they're all glued. There's really no gaps in there. The only thing that is visible, like on that back one there, it looks like there's a little line. That is a line. That was a cut line. There's no gaps at all. I'm going to put silicone. Typical aquarium silicone, the GE 100%, no mildew repellent, 100% silicone, GE1. Same thing I'm going to use on my glass panes. And then after all that's done and the stand is built, I'm going to go over every corner with 2x6s and 2x4s like I did in my last tank. And this is going to be one giant solid box that's going to be no flex. The structure will be so sturdy there'll be no give anywhere. There's going to be a multitude of boards down the back as well. So just want to touch base with everybody. Any questions, I'm here to answer. This is a really fun project, and happy to share my journey along with everybody. Take care, everyone.